Hello, Booba. Say hello to the tango people. Well, dance people. We can do any partner dance, can't we, Boo? Do you want to go through with Fergal? Go on then. Good girl. So, this is the basic step of tango. I will call it the basic step of tango for my own reasons. Argentinian speaking Spanish, I'm English. I'm speaking English for you at first. If I use a Spanish word, send me a thumbs down and I'll send you some sort of bonus. I've got no money, so it'll have to be I don't know, something on TikTok. So, I'm standing on Christmas. I'm wiggling my left toes. I'm wiggling the toes that are itching to go to the little coffee pot. Then the other toes are going to go to the big teapot. Then we're going to come alongside Christmas. Then we're going to the leaders are going to do salt, pepper. The followers are going to do pepper, salt. Pepper, salt is tricky, but not impossible. Then we go to tomato, what do you say? Tomatoes. And I think my cream egg is my Easter egg is in the wrong place. Yes, it is. So we'll move the Easter egg to there. And we're all set up. Christmas, coffee pot, teapot, Christmas, salt, pepper, tomatoes, cream egg, bell. When you get to the bell with that foot for ladies, other foot for men, you ring the bell quietly as possible because my dad don't like it. I'm in his kitchen. Once you get to the bell, you've actually done all of the steps once because there's 8 steps. And the bell step is number 9, so you start it again. So you don't get to number 8 and say, whoa, I'm brilliant, I've got to number 8. Because then you'll always get to 8 and freeze. So you do 8, 1, so it sends you to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll do that as leader first of either gender, any sexuality, couple, not couple, fancy, don't fancy, anyone can dance with anyone. And you don't have to wear any special clothes, depending on the flooring and your preference. Traditionally, I don't like tradition much, but traditionally the ladies wear high heels. But any man that wants to follow and wear high heels, I love doing that too. Wait till you see my high heels. You've already seen them in previous clips on YouTube. Peter Baldock 4, YouTube. I've come up before Peter Baldock 1, 2 and 3, so I must be more popular than them. So here's the leader wiggling his right toes, because behind him there's the right toes. Here's a coffee pot, and he's going to do, wiggle them so I know they're ready. Coffee pot, teapot, doesn't matter how you do it for now. Christmas, and it's the Christmassy side of Christmas. Salt pot and pepper pot are on the same square. Tin of tomatoes, Easter egg, and Easter egg are both on the same square. You've done it all except these. You don't remember these toes that wanted to do? They were desperate to do coffee pot. Now they want to say you've done it once. Bell. When you can get to the bell a bit faster, you ring the bell. You can't ring the bell the first time. So this is when I'd let you ring the bell. It can be as rough as a dick. All you need to do to ring the bell is ready. Oh, we'll have a little tune. It's In Your Eyes by Kylie. This is for my friends. I won't say their names, but they know who they are. The singer and the DJ with all his tech. Very stylish, both of them. Is in your coffee pot, teapot, Christmas, salt, pepper, tomatoes, egg, bell. Then you're allowed to ring the bell. So, it's much harder for the follower to ring the bell. Eventually, the leader helps you to do pepper, salt. When you've got to do pepper, salt on your own, it's tricky. But if you wobble, you learn. If you do it wrong, you learn. You learn by your mistakes. Don't beat yourself up when you make mistakes. If you never make a mistake, you don't learn very well. Mistakes are essential. So here's the follower wiggling their left toes. If I get a gender wrong, thumbs down. Just if I get a gender wrong, say tut tut gender and tell me your gender if you want to. So we've got coffee pot, teapot, Christmas. Look at this. I'll try and show you. Hang on, try and show you. Hang on. Pepper. Pepper. Salt. Just got it in. Tomatoes. Egg. Bell. The reason I'm wobbling all over the place is because I'm rubbish. No, the reason I'm wobbling all over the place is because I'm looking at the floor and my head throws me off balance. So I'll try and do it without looking down. I'll just glue this to my chest where I hope you can see, and pull my t-shirt out of the way so you can see my feet, and breathe in so you can't see my belly. There you can see the coffee pot, teapot, Christmas, pepper, salt. Teapot, coffee pot, Christmas, pepper, salt, tomatoes, egg, bell. This is number, by the way, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. It's not 9, it's 1 again. Excuse me. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll start again because I didn't get that important bit in shot. I'll try and do it with a bit of technique. Don't worry about the technique. This is just to see, not to learn yet. 1, coffee, tea, Christmas, pepper, salt, tomatoes, egg, bell. That was the better one. When everybody's rung the bell, I've got 3 cups. Where's he gone? Where's he gone? When everybody's rung the bell, where's he back? Bottle of wine, or Prosecco, or a few shots, or if you don't drink, a bit of cake, or just a little treat we can share together. And if you want to pay me any money, I don't really want money, I'd rather have a little gift. Clarins, minimum £5. A dancing lesson in Birmingham is only about £15, including studio, so I'm not profiteering. My charity is UNICEF, which is ABBA's charity for protecting especially vulnerable little girls. And on TikTok it'll be on without stopping, without talking, lead a follower to this record by Kylie Minogue. I'll do it through twice. I'll do it to the bell, but then I'll carry on, so I won't stop for a reward. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It seems to be mad. If you've got one of these floors, you can use your own things that will just remind you where to step. And all looks like, oh my God, this is a mess. Good luck with the end, because I got my phone the wrong way off.